Hi guys, today we'll be learning how to do the makeup by the layers. How do we come to this final base? Step by step हम सारे process, हम सारे steps learn करेंगे and you'll be able to do this makeup. सबसे पहले हम moisturization लगाएंगे. I'm gonna be using this cream Emollient.
This is the cream which is recommended by most of the dermats, so just try it.
मेरी skin dry है इसलिए मैं फेस ऑयल लगा रही हूँ. अगर आपकी स्किन ऑयली है तो आप इसे स्किप भी कर सकते हैं. My skin is super dry, so I need it. I'm gonna be using my sunscreen because it's very important. Some people do not like to apply sunscreen, but I like to because I need to give the protection to my skin. अब हम प्राइमर लगाएंगे. अब जाके मेरी स्किन प्रेप हुई है तो स्टार्ट ऑफ विद द मेकअप. I'm gonna start off with the makeup. सबसे पहले हम कलर करेक्शन करेंगे.
Now here I'm using the darker skin tone color correction for myself because I do not have a lot of pigmentation.
मेकअप को ब्लेंड करेंगे.
Now I'm taking the foundation in my own color and then applying the small strokes of it. We'll be building it up later, but we'll apply less and then we'll blend it. Accordingly, we'll see how much product do we require.
Again, we're gonna blend it. Now today I want the full coverage, so I'm gonna also be using Huda Beauty Liquid Foundation.
Simple basic rule of makeup, because it was a cream product that we applied the base in, so we applied that first and then later on we are going to be going for the liquid because the formulation is lighter than cream. So after the cream base, the liquid foundation has come over here and then we're going to blend it off.
वापस से ब्लेंड करेंगे. अब हम कॉन्ट्योरिंग करेंगे.
That would be on the temples of the forehead and the sides of the nose and the hollow of the cheeks. Blend it with soft to and fro motions. It doesn't have to be too much
the
high under
hairline.
pressure, but it has to be soft enough so that it gets blended nicely.
अब हम हाइलाइटिंग करेंगे.
Yet again, highlighters have a very good pigmentation, so you'll be only taking very small quantity and applying in dots wherever you require. That would be in the center of the forehead, on the eyes, on the inner and the outer corner of the eyes, and then you're going to blend it through on the center of your nose and a little bit on your chin area and right above your lips. And then use a brush to blend it all together.
Whatever is the leftover, I'm applying on my eye.
I'm not taking any extra to apply on my eye because there's quite much of the product which is already left over in my brush. So because once we do the eye, I would need this base on my eye to start with it. So because I have it in my brush, I'm just applying it in the same step. So don't get confused.
अब हमारा ब्रॉन्जर हो चुका है, हमारा फाउंडेशन हो चुका है. We will go for the liquid blush. I will take it on the back of my hand like always. So I'm applying from one point and blending it from the other point. the hack because there's too much of blush on the face. Whatever is left over on my brush, I am again going to place it.
Okay guys, certain steps I just forgot to record, which is fixing my base with the translucent powder. I've only applied it under my eye because I have a dry skin, but if you have oily skin, go ahead and apply it on your entire face. To fix my blush and bronzer, I've applied the powder blush and the powder bronzer on the places where I applied the blush and the bronzer before. Then I've done my lashes and lips and fixed my makeup with the fixing spray. Let's have a look at the final look now.
So this is the final look that I've created, and this is wow. It's just wow. If you like it, do let me know, and more than that, just try it. Just try it. You will have to try it to get this look, okay? And if you are still failing at any of the steps, do let me know. I will try and help you. If you are shy about the comments, do DM me. I'll read it. I will read it. Don't worry about that. मैंने अपने lashes लगा लिए हैं, मैंने अपने lenses लगा लिए हैं. This light is not good enough. It's almost 7 in the evening, so I'm not getting a great light. But this is what the makeup looks like. So try it and let me know how did you find it. For all the products that I've used in this makeup, it's again in the link in my bio. Go try it, check it out, buy it, try the makeup and let me know how did you find it, okay? Until next time, see ya.